Hello, welcome to Inkybay Product Designers tutorial video. Today I am going to show you how you can set minimum or maximum quantity restriction for non-customizable products. First, you need to create a unique tag for the products from Shopify product backend. So here I am adding a tag for this product. And now saving it. You need to create a tag like this for all the products you want to set minimum or maximum quantity restriction. Now from Inkybay admin dashboard, you need to click on product and make those products customizable that you want to set the restriction. Now, to set the restriction, you need to set it from the printing type. Now, you need to select the printing type that you have just created. Now you can see minimum quantity restriction is applied to this product. Now for this customize it button, you need to create a product option from Inkybay dashboard. We assign this product option with the tag that you have created from your Shopify backend. And save it. Now go to your product page again, right click on your mouse and select inspect. Then click here and select this button. You need to copy this ID, come back to Inkybay admin and click on this pen icon. Click on styles and here write this code. And save it. Now if you go to the product page again and reload the page, you will see that the customize it button is hidden. In this way, you can set minimum or maximum quantity restriction for non-customizable products. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.